Assalamu alaikum and good morning students. Lecture number 3 of class prep. Now we start activity. Our activity is match with letters A to M. Okay students, look this. This is column A and this is column B. Look at this. This is A. Now find A in column B. This is A. We match A. Match the letter A. Next, B. We find B in column B. This is B. We match these letters. Next is D. We find D in column B. This is D. We match. Next is F. Now find F in column B. This is F. We match. This is H. Now find H in column B. This is H. We match this letter. This is K. We find K. This is K. We match these letters. Next, L. Now we find L in column B. This is L. We match. Now last letter is M. Now we find in column B. This is M. Now we match M. Okay students, our activity is complete.